All right, now we're going over how to do an effective push-up to maximize your chest gains. Now, this is a great movement whether you're doing it before your workout or after your workout as a finisher. Overall, great body weight movement just for overall chest development and to get nice blood flow in the chest. Now, a few things to keep in mind that are important when you're doing your push-up. First and foremost, you want to make sure that your back and your butt are flat, right? You see a lot of people when they're doing push-ups, when you get tired, naturally you want to either sink your butt down or bring your butt up to relieve the tension off your arms and your chest. You don't want to do that. You want to maintain a flat back and butt the entire time as you're performing your push-ups to maximize the contraction you're getting on the chest. Now, the second thing, as you're performing your push-ups, you want to make sure that you have a slight, about a 45-degree angle between your arm and the midline of your body, right? You want to be here doing your push-ups. It should feel natural. You do not want to have your elbows flared out, pushing up like this. You're putting a lot of tension and stress on your shoulder and rotator cuff, which is prone to injury. So again, make sure you have a flat back, flat butt when you're performing the movements. You want to make sure that you're at a nice 45-degree angle between your elbow and the midline of your body, and you're coming down. Now, the closer you come to your body, your elbows, the more triceps you're going to work. So we do not want to be pushing here. We want to have, again, that 45-degree angle, hand placement, a little bit outside of shoulder width apart, and then you push up, coming all the way down to the floor to get nice deep stretch on the chest fibers, and pushing back up and repeating the movement. This is how you effectively do a push-up for maximum chest contraction.